This brand new playground with the Tall Grass Prairie playground set has just about everything for every child age and ability.
This is massive. I honestly, usually the ones we go to are really small, but this has things everywhere.
The public park in Harriman, Tennessee already had a popular splash park. This playground adds a year-round dimension for play and exercise. So many ways in and up, so many ways out and down, and so much to do in between. Climbers, slides, spinners, and panels for learning and play. Let's take a tour, starting with access. The gradual ramp leads to a world of play on this fully accessible playground structure. There's easy and wide wheelchair access to several levels and equipment. To the left is the single-row pebble bridge for a little walk on the wild side. It leads to a pair of net climbers. Popular? Oh yeah! Across from the net climbers are standing orbital spinners. From there, it's a hop and a skip to the rock climber. Above and below, there is so much more to explore. Slides? We're just getting started. Triple slides take kids 3 different directions. No boredom here, just adventure and discovery around every corner and through every canopy. The spiral tube slides have a double dose of excitement with see-through tubes for the twisty trip down. The shorter right turn slides take 2 slight rides for younger kids, an easier ride down.
Everything seems really accessible for heights and different abilities wherever they're at in life, and I think that's great. So that way all 3 of my kids can enjoy it, because I have almost a 9-year-old, an almost 5-year-old, and then a 1.5-year-old.
The vertical rock climbing wall is a Rocky Mountain adventure, which carries kids to a double dose of open-air spiral slides. Tallgrass has 10 slides in all. Vertical ladders lead to triple spinners, a straight overhead rung ladder, and swinging rings.
Okay, here we go. Ready? Go.
Great places just to hang around. This is a climber's dream for kids who like to scale new heights, including a snake climber, pod climber, spiral climber, and pebble climber with rail, to name just a few. There are play panels as far as the eye can see, below and above, including a gear panel, Plinko game.
See, look at that, I'm almost there.
Activity panel, tic-tac-toe, and musical panels and instruments including chimes and drums. So many pathways to play and adventure on so many levels and around every corner at Tall Grass Prairie.